Hey everyone, so in this video, I'm going to show you how to connect Apple Pay with Doordash. So this is going to be particularly useful for individuals who want to start paying their Doordash orders with Apple Pay. Maybe you got an iPhone or just migrated to iOS. Either way guys, this video is going to be short, sweet, and to the point. There's not going to be a lot of steps involved with this video, so be sure to stick around all the way until the end. Now what we're first going to do is access our Doordash app here. And then once that's finishing loading, what you're going to do is click on the bottom right hand side. Now that you're on this page, you want to go ahead and scroll all the way down. Now that you're on this page, you want to go ahead and click on settings next. And then from this page, you want to go ahead and scroll all the way down to where it says payment, which is underneath account settings. Now this is going to be a really important step guys. Under add a payment method, you should see Apple Pay. And once you click on Apple Pay, you'll see that Apple Pay is now a payment method on your Doordash app. Now, if you don't see Apple Pay listed under add payment method, it might be because you haven't enabled Apple Pay on your phone just yet. So really quickly, I'm going to show you guys how to do that. You're simply just going to go to your settings tab on your iPhone. And then from here, what you want to do is actually scroll all the way down to where it says wallet. And so you want to scroll all the way down to where it says wallet and Apple Pay. So from this page, you just need to make sure that this Apple Cash toggle button is actually enabled. And then once you actually have that enabled, you should see Apple Pay appear under add payment method. And then once you click on Apple Pay should be connected with your Doordash account. So this right here guys is the best and easiest way that I know of to actually go ahead and connect Apple Pay with Doordash. If you guys know of a better or easier way to actually do this, let me know in the comments down below. I would love to know. But thanks so much for watching everyone, and I'll see you guys all in the next video.